This Craftsman 20V string trimmer has one of the best methods for turning the string trimmer into an edger, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. This step isn't necessary, but this will stop you from digging too deep into your lawn or weeds or whatever you're edging. Fold this bracket down, and this is going to run along whatever you're edging and make sure that the string line doesn't go too deep into whatever you're trying to edge. So all you need to do is pull the bottom half of the string trimmer down and the top half up, and then twist. You're going to twist the top head clockwise. What that's going to do is have your string trimmer in a position like this. And what that means is, when it comes to edging, you can edge along like here. Now to turn this back to string trimmer, pull the top half away from the bottom half, and then turn it, I guess, anti-clockwise. Now if you're going to try and use your string trimmer without turning it into an edger, you'd have to use it like this, which is, I don't know how you'd use a trigger, and this is just not very comfortable. So having this ability to turn this into a string trimmer really easily, I really like this. And that's how to quickly turn your Craftsman 20V string trimmer into an edger.